So today we will learn how to create a website completely using the Google's Gemini application, a pro application, and basic and one page of website. That's all we are looking to build. So to do that, what you need a basic sorts of information that you are looking to build, and kind of the workflow, and the if you have any idea, a section for this particular sections, the team about this page. If you have any a basic design idea, so you can just write it down and then give it to the Google Gemini, and then on the basis of that information it will evaluate the kind of your requirement, and then will give on a sorts of coding. And also you can see the same thing in the preview sections just by clicking over here. So in this case, I'm building a the completely a waste management a company, not a company exactly. It is one of the project that I'm looking to build the for my batchmates, and I'm the part of the team. So we are total 13 people, and we the idea is to present the website with all the required information and the research which we have did, the products we have created, the category that products belongs to, and based on that information, research, facts, numbers. So we are just looking to create a website so that we can present it to the the faculty member. So in this case, if you see on my screen, so I have just given a clear cut instructions, what I'm looking to build, kind of the whole section. So based on my requirement, what it did, it created the a very uh, a very basic idea, and then have also given it a name, and the same name I have adopted it to the my application. Because see, this is just an prototype of the website and the application which I have already built and show to you, how you can build a website. If you do not have any idea how to build a free web application using a free AI tool, you can just refer to my previous video. So now coming, we are just talking here about the website, but you need to have some basic knowledge of understanding how the components HTML, CSS, JavaScript work. Even if you don't have, but at least have at least a basic information, how things work, so that will make your work easy. Otherwise you just have to, you can still do it, but have to go again back to the the a Gemini tool to work on the requirement, which will take a time. Because the render, going back to again to your requirement, and going back to the all the codes that the tools have already built, that takes time. So if you already have sorts of the basic understanding, so you can just go ahead and take out the first the draft. And if that is not something convenient, you can just also ask the tool to create the new design as per your requirement. So in this case, if you see, so I think this tool have given pretty much the basic idea, the way I wanted it. But yes, see, the have given a one tap solution, ventures, teams, blog, career, and have also built the content. It's like a fully a genuine website, and have also built a photo, and have given. So based on this the basic draft, I have got also some idea, the how I can build the website in the future. Like in the future, I'm talking about just this particular site. So since I have got the basic understanding, so now I have just again communicated with the tools, this particular sections needs to be pardon my the spelling mistake which I did. So I'm not here to teach you the the spelling and all, but yeah. But now moving on the further side, so if you see, I have just told everything, make it responsive, add mobile menu. If the certain section of the website or I didn't like, I have just take the screenshot and have provided it to the the tools. So based on that, it have, I think it did a pretty much a good job. But I was not satisfied, to be honest, because I just needed more. So what I did, and of course the tool was not responding in a way that I wanted it. So what I did then, I just copied the whole code and then moved to the new chat which I have pinned over here, Reform Global. And then because just needed a better the clarification. So sometimes it happened with the tools in the same chat section, you are not getting the best results, so have to just switch back to the new chat. So yeah, so I have just given everything, not this global. So I have just given everything. If you see my previous chat, I have given all the codes that it required, and have given all the products over it. Let me just show you, like, no. Hmm. Let me just open. Yeah. So till the time, I mean that particular the first draft was ready yesterday, and now today to and today is 29th June, and yesterday was 28th. So that particular website was built yesterday. So at that time the tool was not ready, but today is live on the site. So I have just asked the tool to just add all the products, add the shop button, so that we can redirect users to the new web application that we have built, and have added particular section, team, about us. In about, we just have added one particular video where we're looking to introduce ourselves and wanted to talk, and are also looking to talk about the products and the services that we have, and also about the application. So that will take another one day, but yes, more or less the website, the home website of this the product is ready. So I have given all the instructions, have also linked all the urls over here. But to and initially it was not linked, so what I did is I just copied the whole code over here, and then open the same code into the node plus plus, and then have just went to that particular section and have changed the url, because if I'll give it to the tool, then it will take another you know 10 minutes of time just to go back to the tools, all the codes, and then give it to the final result. So but I do not wanted to go through that part, so I just copied the whole thing, replicated, I mean replace the whole url that I was looking to the redirect. So once this home part got ready, so I just wanted to build another four website for all the categories, because all the subcategories have all the detailed information that we have collected, and from the internet, and part of the the research. So numbers, figures. So for that we already had the one data over here. So all the files related to this research. And what I did then, since the the basic layout was ready, so what I did, I just went back to the I just created the tech west, and have uploaded all the informations. This is not the one that have built, and actually before this there was one more. uh, I think this was there. Not this actually. Yeah, so more or less I have given all the information to the tool to analyze all the data which we had uploaded all the files. Since I have a pro model of the Gemini, so I can just do whatever I want. So since I have a pro model of the Gemini, so I can do whatever I want. So based on this, I have just given all the information, then have asked the tool to create a complete new website for this particular category, and also the top of the menu needs to be redirected to our the home the home website, that is the reform. So the circuit bag is nothing but our tech west category, where we are looking to launch at least five products in it, and wanted a complete a new sub website, you can say, with the completely different branding. So yeah, so over here we have discussed about the problems, we have discussed about the the products, have discussed about the opportunity that we are looking after, and we have also discussed about the profitability, and we also have created a roadmap, like what it looks like, and have also looking into the kind of money that we need to start this project, and you know heavily, if you're looking to scale in just 3 years. And then after that, we have just this and yes, of course there was some changes needed. So as I have mentioned, you just need a basic information about you should know actually basic the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, how these things work. Basic, not advanced. If you're knowing the advanced, that's pretty good. But I think as a marketer, I don't think so that is required. But I do have some basic understanding how the code works. So I just open the again the code with the the Node plus plus, and then did some changes specifically for the header and footer related. So and we needed the a different menu for this as well. So I have just given all the instruction the way I wanted it. So yeah, it's done. And so once this got ready, because this took me around 1 hour to build, based on the multiple the feedback and then the revisions. So once the circuit bed got ready, so what I did after that, I just told the chat sorry, not the chat GPT, but the Gemini. See, I have already uploaded all the information, the the PDF from the research, and then have given a clear cut instruction. So this is a new category within the same reform uh, the company, but this is a new category similar to the the circuit bag, but this particular section is just for the agriculture and the defense, and have given all the information. So read those document, replicate the same the structure that we had for the circuit back, and revamp the whole branding, and just do your work and give me the final output. So based on that, if you see, so it the tool have given all the information, took all the information and have given all the information in the same template that we wanted, because since we are building a a website, and all the subcategory needs to be in the same way when it comes to the the designing part. So yeah, so if you see, so it just did a great job. See, all the sections is the same with the just a newer content that the way we wanted it, and the footer and menu again the same. So and we did the same for the resourceful category. See over here, have did the same thing with the just new brand guidelines and the the new information, our solution. So we have just three products in it, and we did the same with the new retail, with the again uh, you know have uploaded the same document, the one which we had from the research, and then have, because this is just a replications, correct. See, all the problems, opportunity, products, financial roadmap, investment. This is just a one page of the site that we are saying in a different brand guideline. So once this all four file got ready, so after that what I did, you know have created a different folder. So this is the reform one, which you can see over here. This is the reform, this is the the live have live site, and this is the agri cycle, this is a circuit bag, this is a if you see, all the sub and top menu are the same for all the sub the category. And when it comes to the reform, it's completely a different website. So where we have explained, like what we are planning to do it, what will be the benefit for the consumer, what will be the benefit for the business and for the collectors. For that, we already have a build an application. You can just refer to my previous video. So yeah, so more or less we have linked. Of course, this part was not done by the tool, but have just asked to provide the dummy link, and after that I just open the notepad plus plus and then have linked manually. And this video will be uh, mapped later, because we have not developed. Maybe we will develop it today, but yeah. And then we have a blog section, then we have a career, and then this will leads to the the shop, the website which we have built over there. And again, now coming back to the hosting part, I have just used the tiny sites, tiny.sites hosting. This is again a completely free hosting that we have used. So yeah, that's all. You just have to, once all the files, all the HTML file is with you, so what you have to do, you just have to log into the site, And then let me just show you if the site is not here. I think we can. Yep, the tiny site. See. Oh, not this one, man. So I think I have another account, I guess. Okay, so this one. Okay, yeah. So you just have to, let me just show you, like, replace the existing file. You can just upload all the file and also map the index file, the home file of your, the main site. So that is something very priority and mandated things to do. And once you will map your main site will look something like this. See, since we have mapped all our categories, so it will open into the same section. See over here, this is the agriculture, and this is the circuit back. And once I click, so it will go back to the the main, and then we have our waste resources. See, everything is working and hosted completely different on the the free side. So yeah, that's all. So in case if you're looking to build the site, a basic prototype, I think the Gemini is one of the best tool, I guess. The website again is not for the website development. There's a multiple the website platforms available to build a website. Even you can build using the bold.new, but somehow I just find convenient to do this with the Gemini. So yeah, that's how I built this the website completely in Gemini in just a 4 hours. Not 4 hours, actually it took more than 4 hours, but at the same time, because I was also working on some other project, so I just and of course this is a time taking project. I mean, once you give the instructions to tool, the the AI tool, Gemini tool, have to take I mean, will take time to process all the information, the requirements, and then we'll give the output. So once you got the output, you just have to see it through, and then you just have to provide a feedback. Based on that feedback, it will also work on those feedback, and then we'll again provide the feedback. So it's kind of the thing that is the only thing which will take time. Otherwise, yeah, more or less, I think you can just build a completely the completely from the scratch, just by using this tool. So yeah, that's all for now. So let's connect next week or next day. Let's see how it goes then. Next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.